3/2/2021, BHP Hilton, I'm sorry. And one thing about it is the stock has been on a rip. It made a high today of 80.62. This is the weekly chart with all-time breakouts, as it is. Same thing when you take a look at the daily chart. You can see the top of that resistance, and we tested it. We got slightly above it, and we look for much further prices. Once again, iron ore, silver, copper, uh, best of the breed around the world for resources under the infrastructure plan and building. And these positions are very long term, and there is a lot more upside in BHP Hilton, and there is. There, small stocks have a little volatility and whatnot, but that is the trade to be in for long term when it comes to looking at where the economy is going and what their production line is and refineries and everything they do around the world. They were the bull market under the Obama Biden administration, and they were. And those stocks are going to be coming back in favor. They've been out of the scene now for a good decade or longer. And they used to be the bull market stocks, and they did. And the Chinese would buy up all the natural resources, building would skyrocket around the globe, and all of these products that BHP sells to people go way up in value. And inflation goes higher, then we know that materials and things like that go higher. And we do. They're boring stocks. They don't move a lot. They're not internet stocks, high beta stocks. They're power plays. And BHP built in is the power play along with Rio Tinto. RIO. Same chart pattern. It's coming up to test its all-time highs and whatnot. And that's where they're at. Cleveland Cliffs, another one that we like and know that can trade up here. And we'll have resistance up there. But once again, Cleveland Cliffs and its resources and what it does is a big, big turnaround story for many months ahead, forward looking. And, X Steel, another one that's gotten back above the 50-day moving average. Other highs were right over here. Those highs were $20.12. And we own this one. But these are very, very long-term plays, and they are. And we hedge them, so when they want to pull back, we know how to buy put options, take the gain, get out, and then stay in the long-term position. So there are different ways of managing around your long-term holdings. We would call them as the power plays and whatnot. So basically, we make the highs, we pull back like they all do, but nonetheless, back to BHP. And we're approaching that all-time high. And we got up there. We got above it. We actually did it. And we were at 80.62. And that was the all-time high. And on the monthly chart, which you can see, 1 month, let's just go 1 month, daily, and we can see right there, that was the 52-week high over there. At that point, that was 80.59. We made another 52-week high by a few pennies, 80.62, and we did. And that is going to be short-term resistance, but it's above the 10-month moving average, and it is. And it's been on a very good upside for a number of months. It does have its pullbacks, and it does run right back up. But now, approaching monthly highs, we look to see where that stock will continue to break out or pull back to support and then run and break out and make another series of higher highs over the next several days and weeks and months. And that's how we look at BHP. Hilton and where the economy is going. Yes, option trading room. Let us take you with your account. We will do the trades for you.